Melbourne Renegades Women vs Hobart Hurricanes Women, Women Big Bash League 2023, match number 46. Hobart Hurricanes Women won the toss, elected to field first. Melbourne Renegades Women playing 11. Hobart Hurricanes Women playing 11. Tammy Beaumont, 2 runs. Emma de Brogue, 2 runs. Harmanpreet Kaur, 1 runs, no wicket. Hayley Matthews captain, 39 runs, 1 wickets. Courtney Webb, 1 runs. Jess Duffin, 9 runs. Georgia Wareham, 7 runs, 1 wickets. Josephine Dooley, 16 runs. Sarah Colt, 8 runs, no wicket. Georgia Prestwidge, 9 runs, no wicket. Sarah Kennedy, 2 runs, no wicket. Melbourne Renegades Women total innings score 101 at loss of 9 wickets, after 20 overs. Lizelle Lee, 11 runs. Ellis Villani captain, 46 runs. Bryony Smith, 15 runs. Nicola Carey, 25 runs, 2 wickets. Heather Graham, did not bat, 3 wickets. Naomi Stalenberg, did not bat. Ruth Johnston, did not bat. Molly Strano, did not bat, 2 wickets. Amy Smith, did not bat, no wicket. Shabneem Ismail, did not bat, 1 wicket. Messi Gibson, did not bat, no wicket. Hobart Hurricanes Women total innings score 102 at loss of 2 wickets, after 17.4 overs. Hurricanes won by 8 wickets, with 14 balls remaining. Player of the match, Heather Graham for 3 wickets conceding 12 runs only.